How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your MSI monitor black screen or basically with no display. The easiest thing to do if this problem occur is to check your connections with your cables. So in here, at the back of your monitor, you have multiple input sources. You have your HDMI, HDMI 1, DisplayPort 2, and in some other cases, there's going to be additional plugs right here for VGA and such. Just make sure that the device or that the plug is connected properly. You want to make sure that it is properly inserted through the ports, and just do the same thing with the motherboard's end. So plug the device from here, same thing with your motherboard, and then you want to locate the input section and then just select the proper inputs according to your cable. So in this case, it's going to be HDMI 1. So you will be able to find HDMI 1, just make sure to select it. If it didn't work, the port itself might probably be damaged. So you want to try other ports like the HDMI 2, DisplayPort, and more. And from there, you will be able to fix this problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.